morning team Mangalore.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Ini enkulu devasthana pondula abigelle tham pondu. First ite kaande 7 gante and first stop is Polali. I book a katilu. I book a koragajjana adele tham pondula. Bokkenna poppana illagile tham pondula. So bale devasthana poi. Shoma olle namanle tham poyere.
Letam poyere. At the end she said nikula balend barochi gaadi jagachi.
Gaadi radde jagandu.
Sagis there.
Pide uru airport olleru ereg devasthana poyra puji. Yaniklen devasthana letam pondulle.
Dump yard.
What are you showing, Choma?
This is our garbage dump yard.
This is where we dump our shits.
Okay, so you recycle everything like here?
Not recycling.
It is just dumping, not recycling.
Just dump?
Yeah.
You see there, can
My
you?
memory had the Choma.
Guys,
Actually, mulpa accident shasta.
come in.
Mulpa onji.
Congrats on the new sofa.
Papa, yeah, balen lenda accident.
Guys, polali ettondu batta. This is like proper village tour. We'll just take one turn and go. Polaligu batta Abigailgu bari kushi and Polali devasthana. Ata Choma?
Yes.
She really loved the architecture and even appenalu tirtirde tuyal. So ite next stop is Katil.
Megdina undi popunamma.
Ite pola Katilgu popa. So bale na mottige Katil poi. Katil ettondu batta.
Yeah.
Mangalore. ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ತುಪಾಯ ಇತ್ತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ತಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಪೋಂದುಲ ಈಗ ಇದು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ತಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಬತ್ತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಮೀ ಒಂದು ಲೇರು I mean she'll stand here and people offer so pretty. Go. Yeah, bend. And spray. Do like this for her. She really loved Lakshmi. Ite Katilu damme. Yeah. Ite Katilu mugita bari ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನು ಪೊನ್ನು ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಅಂತೂ ಲೆಪಿದ ಇದ್ರ ಕೈ ಮುಗ್ಲೆ ಇತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲ ತುಪ್ಪಾಯರೆ ಎಸ್ ತಾನ ಇತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪನ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ತಂಪೊಂದಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀನ್ ತಿಕ್ಕದು ಬಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ ಯು ಲವ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನೋ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಎಸ್ Great success. Kandi bega lakk nirdatra. Weather is not that hot.
Not yet.
Not yet. So aike bega kandi lakkadu letomba ide. Ijine ink nerade tikkunu etu becca kudlandu. Enna voice potun. Itte nama jirappa breakfast tinra pondulla. Air bokka enna poppane illa letom poppe. So bale poi.
Yeah, recently they painted.
Yeah. Chama wait, slow.
So no kondu pode.
Abigail, now favorite is Mangalore buns. Chome rava dosa order mande.
That is also one more temple.
One more
Kollur.
temple. Yeah, Kollur Mokka.
That is far.
Far. Guys, finally breakfast manta itte poppane illa pondulla guttuda illa tupa odate kudla battadu ancha Abigail guttuda illa tupa irelle tam pondule nammottige choma ulle
Choma banji full tindu
ಚೋಮಾಗ ರವಾ ದೋಸೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದ ಬತ್ತನ ಹಿಡಿದು ಮೆನ್ನ ರವಾ ದೋಸೆ ಅರ್ಧ ತಿಂಡೆ ಕಾಯಣ ರವಾ ದೋಸೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತನೆ ಇಂಕ ಚೋಮನ ಬಂಜಿ ಫುಲ್ ಆತನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಬಿಗೇಲ್ ಪಂಡಲ ಚೋಮ ವನಸ್ ಬುಡೇರೆ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ವನಸ್ ತಿನ್ನೋಡು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ ಹೀಸ್
ಸೊ ಅಕ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಅಂತುವನು ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಇಂಚ ತಿನ್ಪೇರು
ನಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಗ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತಿನ್ರೆ ಪೋಂದುಲ್ಲ ಅಬಿಗೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಚಕ್ದೆ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ Guys, welcome to my mansion. Let's go. Oh my God! Careful, God. Choke. These used to be the rice fields. And the view is amazing. Choma. Hey, Choma. Vale, illadale. Guys, Abigail is mesmerized by this house. Bale. See this. It's open house. Wow, right? Beautiful. Really nice. These are my dad's awards. Yeah, that's my dad.
I mean, he's your dad, but he...
No. He's Vishnuvardhan. Some actor. Prakash, right? My papa. Hello panle. Hello jokla. Inchollaru. Allen subscribe and play please. So finally illade batta ee rendu konana kuljeederu. She's truly a Mangalorean. She sleeps on the floor. And this is guys from Uganda.
She's so racist.
Hey.
She's being so racist. Yes.
I always told you you're from Uganda. Itte nama dumbudo room pura tu pondulle. This is used to be our bedroom. Let's go.
Get down.
Let's go, guys. So, we are going to second in this hot weather. These guys want to explore this room. Papa. Bosekene.
Who will jump? See, from here I jump. I'll reach the.
Choma.
Where the guy is?
Pant bari dicne hai hamare.
There.
Go.
Where?
Here. In this.
Fly.
In this block.
Yeah, that I can do. Yo, pant bari do.
Are you ready, Choma?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Let's go! Oh!
Where you are standing.
Illuminati, Illuminati. Choma.
Hard shake am.
You're saying car is shaking. I'm dancing, Choma. Guys, Mangalore is traffic today. Sarponaga. Please, ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಂಚ ಉಂಟೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆರ ದೇವರೇ ಗೊತ್ತು. What bridge is this? Netravati bridge today, guys. Last stop is Koragajja. Koragajja ibako Vanaspoppa. That's all for today. Koragajja nadettu ivatta.
On the front?
Yes, on the right.
Yeah. OMG.
Swami Koragajja. So finally, Devasthana Purapod and Koragajjana was the last stop. And Abigail, what do you have to say? How was your experience, temple run today? Did you enjoy it?
I enjoy so much.
Did you feel the spiritual vibration within you?
Yeah, I did. Hey!
Choma, don't do that face. Anyway, Choma is doing that weird face.
Choma reverse.
That guy is not taking the vehicle.
See, this guy is leaving.
Guys, that's all for the vlog. Niklegi vlog istanda.
Yes. Adar guy.